Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to compress any video without losing quality. Whether you're using a phone or a computer, this method works great. Let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser. Now in the search bar, type this: video compressor. Hit search and you'll see a link to FreeConvert. Tap or click on that link to open the site. Now once you're on the FreeConvert website, you'll notice a big button that says Choose Files. Go ahead and tap on it. This will open up your device's file manager or gallery. Now just select the video that you want to compress. After you select your video, it will begin uploading to the site. Depending on your video size and internet speed, this may take a few seconds or a few minutes, so be patient. Once the upload is complete, FreeConvert will start processing and compressing your video automatically. What it's doing here is reducing the file size while trying to keep the video quality as close to the original as possible. Once the compression process is complete, a download button will appear. Go ahead and tap that and your newly compressed video will start downloading to your device right away. You can now find the video in your downloads folder or gallery, depending on your device. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tips and easy tutorials.